And we have some options with this image. Here we can add a link. So if you want this to link to something else on your website, you can have it linked to a product or a collection. You can have it linked to a blog post, or you can have it linked to, your own custom link. If you want to go to like your YouTube page or something like that, let's do that right now. So I could type in the actual link, click on that, and it's going to be linking to just a YouTube channel, actually my YouTube channel. We have some settings in regards to the size. So we could have an automatic aspect ratio. We can make it wider or narrower. So we can make it fill the entire space. That makes the most sense. But if you say fit, you can change it. Like, okay, right now it's really tiny. Let's say fill. That makes most sense. And we have both desktop and mobile. Something worth noting is that when you're building your website, it's worth checking it out on desktop and also seeing what it looks like on mobile. So at the top right, you'll see these three options here: desktop, mobile, and full screen. If we click on mobile, that'll show us what this looks like on mobile. So maybe on mobile, you want to have a custom width. You want it to be maybe a little bit less wide than the entire screen. And we can customize all of that for both desktop and mobile, as I mentioned. We have the height we can change to fit or fill. I have no borders on this, but you could add borders, or you could add a little radius to the corner. So you can see it's kind of rounded off there with a 54 pixel radius. Maybe 35 will be better, kind of a more rounded feel to the website. And we can add padding to any side. Padding is going to be extra space around this image. So see how it's kind of touching the top, that top section right there. If you don't want those colors touching, you can add a little bit of padding on the top, and now you have a little extra buffer, a little extra space there. So that's the image block.